Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix a problem in CSGO. Left mouse button not working or not shooting anything. CSGO is not shooting, or whenever you click the left click, the click's not working, but the right click is working but not left click. So in that case I'll be showing you how to fix that problem. So it is the only problem in the CSGO. You can play other games, it works fine in other game, and the only way to solve this problem is reset the key on your game setting. So in order to solve this problem, all you guys have to do is go to the setting and click on the controller right here, and you'll see this reset on this corner. Hit the reset and click on the stick M and hit the reset once again, and the last thing is click on this button bind and click on the reset. So after that it was just gonna fix the problem. So let's see. And so as you guys can see, it is working without any problem. We can shoot with the left key button. So that's it guys, I hope this video found helpful. If you like this video, then please do give us a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, comment down below, and yeah, see you in my next one. Peace.